Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Paper Crafting with Enis, and I'm on today with another package of goodies that I received from Sandi at Decorate Your Life. She did ask me to guest design with some more paper from her store, and I agreed to do so, and I can't wait to share that with you. But if you'll remember, she previously sent me 3 paper collections. One was the Pink Shabby Chic, and I have already shared the projects that I made with that. Okay, and that included the cards that I made. So that was a really fun project. I love that. Then she sent me, and these are the 2 that I'm working on right now. This one is called Sweet Bliss, and it's very cute with the little raccoons and all the hearts. Very cute. And then this one here, which is called Country Lovin'. And I got the 2 of them to kind of coordinate together for the projects that I'm working on. And hopefully I will have the projects that I'm doing with these 2 paper collections finished up by the end of the week. And I'll be able to share that with you guys. So yes, I'm so excited about that. And so now she has sent me a 4th paper collection. And this one is La Condesa. Look at how beautiful. I can't wait to dig into this. This is a huge packet. These are 8 by 0.25 by 8.25. 65-pound cardstock, lignin, and acid-free, so great for scrapbooking. You get 10 sheets, 4 cutout sheets, and 28 sheets total. So lots and lots of goodies in there. She also sent me another package of double-sided tape, and the tape she sent me in the previous package very much came in handy. She sent me a packet of bows that will match this paper collection beautifully. She sent me this gorgeous packet of jemmies. Look at this. Let's just give you a quick peek at some of them. We've got beautiful pearls and rhinestones. Here's another pearl and rhinestone. Let's see, she's got some teardrop pearls. There are, oh, these are absolutely gorgeous. Look at how pretty that is. So pretty. And then some flat back pearls, as well as some other flat back jemmies in there too for me to use in my projects. And then she sent me one of her beadable pens. Look at how cute this is. And I did see her, she posted a video a week or so ago where she shared some pens. And these are silicone beads and cabochons. And she also has some rhinestone spacers in there. So those are really pretty. Thank you so much, Sandi, for this. And I was so inspired by her pens that she showed the other day that I willingly admit I went onto Temu and ordered some silicone beads so I can make some like this too. So let me put these aside. Oh, let me just share this really quick. Sandi also sent along her coupon code, which is Sandi10, S-A-N-D-I-10, and it is available for all of my crafty friends and family who would like to save 10% off any orders on her shop. Her shop is at DECOR8YOURLIFE.com on the internet, as well as her Etsy shop, which is Decorate Your Life. So that is a great discount, and I believe she has some sales going on right now, so you might want to check that out. Very, very nice. And she does have both printable versions of a lot of her papers as well as digital. So if you want to save money and print them yourself, that's a great, great option. I've done that myself a few times. And it's also nice to get the pre-printed papers as well. So let's dig in here and take a look at La Condesa. Gorgeous paper. I've seen a number of projects done with this already. Sandi has shared some. Okay, all right, here we go. No wonder I couldn't get in. I was going the wrong way. Oh, I see. This is really folded up in here. So let's get in. Oh, by the way, let me just show you really quick. This is La Condesa Scrapbook and Journaling Kit, 8.25 by 8.25. 65-pound cardstock, which is lignin and acid-free, so it's perfect for scrapbooking. This comes with 10 design sheets. You can see she's handwritten the 10 there, as well as 4 cutout sheets, and there are a total of 28 sheets all together in here. So I think you probably get 2 of everything. put that aside. Here is the cover sheet, and I love these cover sheets because you can cut these up and use these as journaling cards or as ephemera. So those are really, really pretty. And her designs mostly are one-sided, so there's nothing on the back. Look at how beautiful this paper is. Wow. Check out that beautiful woman there in the cameo. All the flowers are just so gorgeous. Beautiful paper. And you do get 2 sheets. That's what I thought. And then there's this one here. I love the scripty words in the background, the scroll work, and then this looks kind of like lace with flowers in it. Gorgeous. And these are like a dusty pink paper with grays. Oh, look at this one. Oh, I love the colors of this. Look at this clock. Gorgeous. And then this beautiful woman here behind the curtain. Just gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. And then here is a beautiful floral design. You got the beautiful cabbage roses on there. And if you look very carefully, there is some script words in the back. I don't know if the camera is picking that up or not, but this is really pretty. Then you've got this clock one. And in the corner, it's got a little pocket watch. Love all the floral work on these. And this is nice with the lines because you can use this as a journaling page. Oh, look at this one. Stunning all over pattern. Just beautiful. And this one kind of has, it's like grayish or taupe colored. Really pretty. Here's another clock. And on the top, there's this beautiful lace and floral design. In the background, you can see more of the florals. So pretty. And then here is another all over floral. And I think these are neat because if you were to cut this out like this right here, that would make a nice little tag. Because you can see the design that goes around there. So pretty. Love the colors of this. Here is another clock. And I love the roses. So gorgeous. Sandi, you outdid yourself on this collection. Beautiful. And then here's a nice journaling page. Looks like crinkled paper. And it has the lines on it, so it's perfect for writing your notes and your journal entries. And now it looks like we're getting into the cut-aparts and the different pieces. So here is a pillow box. Very nice, and it's got a little opening there. And then down here she has some word cut-aparts. Very nice. And then these little ball jars with the beautiful florals on them. Some little roses here that you can cut apart and use. These would be great for little tags and little tuck-ins for pockets. Oh, and speaking of tags, so here is a nice grouping of tags. Look at how pretty those are. I love the door. Oh, there's a bunch of doors. So pretty. And then you got tags in different shapes. And then you have this strip here. This would be nice running down the side of a page. Or you could turn this into a bookmark. Really pretty. More tags. Gorgeous. We've got the clocks. And this time you're seeing some blues coming in, as well as the pink and the taupe and the gold. We have the beautiful flowers. Here's another clock. Down here we have the beautiful woman. Gorgeous images. Gorgeous. Over here we've got a couple more ladies on a strip. So pretty. Oh, wow. And then we have this one. This is the last 2 pages. And these are like postage stamps. Gorgeous for cutting out. You can use the little canceled stamps. And another one of the strips, but this one looks like you could easily cut this into 2. This would make a gorgeous bookmark or an add-on to a journal page. So that's it. That is La Condesa by Sandi at Decorate Your Life. I hope you enjoyed this paper walkthrough, and you will keep an eye out on my channel in the coming weeks for a few projects made with this. I do have to finish up the Country Luvin and the Sweet Bliss collections, and I will probably have to get started on some other projects I have going on, but then I will immediately get going on this, and I can't wait. This is absolutely stunning paper, and I hope you all enjoyed the walkthrough. And I want to thank all my subscribers for stopping by, for hanging out with me while I went through this beautiful paper. I really appreciate all of you. And if you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Click the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to hit like and leave a comment down below, because I do read all of my comments and I try to respond to every one of them. So anyway, I will catch you later because I need to get on to my Sweet Bliss and Country Luvin project, and I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.